Hello and welcome to MOVIEPARK HORRORFEST 2019. It's brilliant. There's loads of new faces, loads of new actors. It's absolutely amazing. The costumes are brilliant. We can have a little look what's going on. It's so cool. Wie schön!
Liam, warte, Liam.
And let's go down there. Loads of really cool costumes. There's some old ones. My favourite one is the one that, I don't know what, he's got like horns and he's really tall with long hair and a green face. I like him the best. Should I go over here and look? Let's have a look over here. And the show's over there. The fear in the eyes of the children is just really funny. All right, the first time I came here, I don't know, it's about 4 years ago, I dropped my drink. I was so scared. It was a little ballerina girl, the one with the little ballerina girl with like knife fingers, you know, like scissor hands. So scared of her. Well, these ones are really cool. This is like Father Christmas. He's cool too. It still makes you jump though, doesn't it? I'll take you around here. Lots of new ideas for costumes. I think it's brilliant. I got beer to calm down. Can't wait till the sun goes down. Right, so I'm going to talk a bit louder now because there's music on that little bit. So hopefully YouTube doesn't demonetize it. I don't know. We'll have to see about that. We'll have to blend something in there. There's the Highfall Tower. Shoops. I love these little scarecrow guys. They're brilliant. Wow, that's so cool. She's really good. Maybe she turn around. She might do. Don't know about that one. I like. It's good, isn't it? Do you like it? So, I've noticed that this year they've changed a few things. For example, wrong turn, you have to pay for it now. It used to be free. Yeah, cover your babby up. Oh, wrong turn, you have to pay now. Well, the queue was horrendous anyway. So you're not allowed to touch the actors at all. Well, we're not going to do that anyway, are we? I'll take you to the other bit. It's still light now, so it's the beginning of October. Today's the first day of the HORRORFEST. So everything's really cool and new. Hang on. Oh, look at her shoes. They're amazing. She's got to walk in those shoes for 4 hours on 22 occasions, I think it is. 22 or 23 occasions. She's going to be worn out. And also in winter it's going to be freezing. I hope she's okay. Might be a boy. Don't know. What they tend to do is they tend to take really, really tall people, which is cool. Oh look, she's got sore ankles. It's like when you Doc Martens hurt you, you know. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can find a cool guy. The one with the green face and the little horns. I like him the best. So here's Mr. Shovelman. Excuse the coughing. Oh, he's cute. Sometimes they are a bit scary. I know they're actors, but sometimes they're a little bit scary. The fear in the eyes of kids, it's funny. But anyway, it's cool, isn't it? It's really cool. I like him. He's called Deadly Silence or Death Silence. He's on Instagram. Deadly Silence, Death Silence. And silence is written like an S and then a dot and then an L and a dot. You know what I mean, don't you? Right, so I'm gonna go over here and either talk louder or blend this little bit off because... Hi! Because they're playing music. It's the shovel man. There's lots of shovel men. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Oh, this is the one that scared the heck out of me a couple of years ago. This little ballerina girl. That's the one I made drop me drink. Oh, that's my favourite one. I like him the best because he's got long hair. Anyway. This is quite a long video, isn't it? But you know, hey. I'll just show you a little bit here and then I'm going to say goodbye because I'm going to get in the queue. Oh, they got Guinness here, which is really cool. But the beer, right, so the beer is $4.50. If you've got the silver pass, it's $3.80. And the Guinness is €5 for a Guinness, which I think is a bit steep, to tell you the truth. And wow, that's cool. Oh, Pennywise, hello. So, he's from years ago. Right, oh God. Anyway, I hope to see you here. If you see me, say a big hello. Come and say hello. So you've said, tell me you've seen the video. And yeah, should be fun, hey? I hope you enjoy yourself when you come here. I will be here most days. So, and the video that they show up there, the film is it. So, that should be cool. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna go. Bye.